Hello, my name is Camilo Rios. I'm a student from La Salle College, and today I will explain about the paving blocks from ceramic time production waste. The objective of the research was to evaluate the viability of the slurry of ceramic tile production in the manufacture of compressed paving stone, as the waste sludge contain coarse and fine particles which may be able to replace the particles used traditionally in cement pavements. They determine the physical properties, and we can see in the table number 1 its range and distribution with its size, and the figure number 1 the size with its respect volume. For example, we have a volume 5 of volume. The particle have maybe 800 of size. And in the table number 3 we can see the cement malt mix before and after compaction. For example, we have a 15 at 18 water content before compaction. The mix was still powdery and was easily flowed in the mold complexion process. And after compaction, the cement, the samples with 15 at 16% water had low green strength, which was improved when the water was increased to 70 at 18. But we have 19 at 20 water content. Before compaction, the mix became more plastic, and after compaction, the mix would gain its strength. But the chemical properties we can see in the table number 2 that they obtain with the help of an X-ray diffraction pattern. They determine they divide the investigation into two samples, but the number 1 was covered with a damp bank cloth and sprayed with a water every 24 hours for 7 days in a closed plastic box. And the number 2, the current was like a number 1, and except that the blocks were immersed in water for 5 minutes every 24 hours, and both lasting 28 days in current time. But we can see in that figure the water contained but number 1 and number 2. Therefore, they obtain that we can see in figure number C show the effects of the compression pressure to the compression. The analysis showed that the group number 2 complies with the resistance, which acts that the resistance if is of 35 pascals, and the figure number 7 for the second group, the resistance to the compression in the period of current, also complying with Thailand's standards industrial value for paving bricks. In figure 8 we can see the micrographic amounts of cement present in the blocks, and the figure number 9 we can see the micrographic quantities in the current period. For example, for 3 days and 14 days, and last for 28 days, that the current period. It was concluded that the compressed paving blocks could be successfully prepared using a mixture of residual cement sludge, just as many procession parameters affect the development of force in the block stroke difference mechanisms that they added water during the compaction process. that play an important role in the development of resistance and in the hydration of the cement.